So in the next lecture, we already discussed about the introduction about the digital image processing. After that, the types of the digital image. We know about what is pixel. So next in this lecture, we discuss about why the digitization is needed, or why the digitization is important, how to digitize an image, what is the concept of sampling and the quantization. So first of all, we discuss about we have the number of conversions of a signal from analog to analog, from analog to digital, from digital to analog, and digital to digital. In this digital image processing, the main output we get, the main requirement is we get some image by capturing an image by any device, capture device or the sensor device of for example, we capture some image and we get some output as an image. So the main conversion which we used here, the analog signal to the digital signal, because the main output is the digital image. So the output of most of the image sensor is an analog signal. Analog signal is the continuous signal. So to store the continuous signal, we get a lot of memory. So because the analog signals are continuous and infinite, so infinite memory is to be used. So to resolve that problem, infinity problem, we have to convert that analog signal into a digital signal or the discrete signal which have some finite value. So here we have the input signal that is in the form of the analog, and we have to convert that signal into the output signal in the finite form, into the discrete form. So in the next step, we have to know about the digitization. The images are in the continuous form. First of all, we have the x and y coordinate and also have some amplitude. Each image has x and y coordinate and some amplitude value. So we have to convert it into the digital form. To convert it into the digital form, the simple function जो हम use करते हैं fxy, that have the two value x and y, we have to digitize that plane coordinate and also digitize the amplitude. So there are the two techniques or the two steps are to be used for the digitization of an image, that are sampling and the quantization. So what is sampling? Sampling is digitizing the coordinate value, that is x and y, and digitizing the amplitude value is known as the quantization value. So digitization means the sampling and quantization. So we already know that any image is represented as a two-dimensional matrix form which have the number of rows and the columns. So the number of rows and the columns are represented as, we can represent any image in this function format. So the values of each element, like the function 1 comma 0, x की वैल्यू क्या है 1, y की वैल्यू क्या है 0. So these, the value of each element in the matrix may vary from 0 to infinity. There are infinite value. So we have to represent that values in a finite form. For example, from 0 to 8, there are some finite value. So the digitization process is to be converted into the number of steps. The first step is sampling is to be done. In this, the analog signal is converted into the number of samples, and then the quantization is to be done. The main exact area of the sampled stages or the sampled is to be digitized, and we have some digital computers. So the digital कंप्यूटर जो हमारे पास आउटपुट आएगी, that is the digital form. To display that information, that digital form is again converted to the analog system. So the sampling process, as I said earlier, that digitizing the coordinate values of x and y. So if a continuous image fxy, we can say that image is the combination of image is made of combination of number of pixels. So the number of pixel, we can say that how we can calculate the number of pixel, by calculating the number of rows and the number of columns. N into m represent the number of columns and the number of rows. So the sampling rate of digitizer determine the spatial resolution of digitized image. Spatial resolution is nothing but the total size of an image by calculating the number of rows and the number of columns. For example, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. That is the resolution of that image. So finer the sampling, that is increasing m and n, नंबर ऑफ रोज एंड द कॉलम, नंबर ऑफ पिक्सल्स को जितना हम सैम्पल्ड करेंगे, better the approximation of a continuous image function, better the quality of an image we found. So there are the random variations in the signal. So these variations, if we take the analog signal, there are the number of variations like this. In this example, there are the, if we have the number of variations like this up and down, then these variations are due to some noise. So in sampling we reduce this noise ratio. So to reduce this noise, we sample all the variation. So more sample we take, the more quality of an image we get. So the noise would be more removed, and same happens vice versa. So this is the analog signal, and we sample that signal into some approximation. So there is some concept that is zooming. We already know that what is zooming. If we take a get some picture, or we extract the pixels of an image, is known as the zooming. So more sample you take, the more pixels you get, and oversampling is known as the zooming. So after the sampling process, the another process is the quantization.